Good morning. Today's topic is how do organisms reproduce. First question. Many organisms have the ability to give rise to new individual organisms from their body parts. Explain. If the individual is somehow cut or broken up into pieces, many of these pieces grow into separate individuals. So this is a process called regeneration, right? If the individual is cut into pieces, each piece of the organism is developed into a new individual. Then second question. Simple animals like dash and dash can be cut into any number of pieces and each piece grows into a complete organism. So simple animals like Hydra and Planaria, if both the organisms are accidentally cut into pieces, each piece develops into a new individual. What is regeneration? The process in which some organisms can be cut into any number of pieces and each piece grows into a complete organism is called regeneration. So the process in which each organism is cut into accidentally pieces, each piece of that organism is developed into an individual. So that is called as regeneration. Then fourth question, regeneration is carried out by dash cells. Regeneration is carried out by the specialized cells. Fifth question, what happens during regeneration process? In some organisms like Planaria, some specialized cells proliferate and make large number of cells. From this mass of cells, different cells undergo changes to become various cell types and tissues. So in some organisms like Planaria, what is happening? Some specialized cells are there, they proliferate and cells divides by many number of and forms many number of cells. So from this mass of cells, different cells undergo changes to become various cell types and tissues, to become the various cells and tissues. Then sixth question, is regeneration the same as reproduction? Regeneration is not the same as reproduction. Since most organisms would not normally depend on being cut up to be able to reproduce. So reproduction is not the same as regeneration because in the regeneration the organisms can develop into new individual. So many organisms cannot do regeneration. Then seventh question, organisms such as Hydra use dash cells for reproduction in the process of budding. Organisms such as Hydra use regenerative cells. Organisms such as Hydra use regenerative cells for reproduction. Then eighth question, explain the process of budding in Hydra. In Hydra, a bud develops as an outgrowth due to repeated cell division at one specific site. These buds develop into tiny individuals when fully mature, detach from the parent body and become new independent individual. So in Hydra, in one specific site, the cells start dividing repeatedly. So it results in the formation of a finger-like projections, that is called as the bud. The bud then grows and once attains maturity, it detaches from the mother cell and develops into an individual organism. Identify the organism given below and the process it is undergoing is the ninth question. So this organism is nothing but the Planaria and the process is undergoing is regeneration. Here if you see, the Planaria is cut into pieces and each piece of the Planaria is developed into an individual organism. Identify the organism given below and the process it is undergoing. So this organism is Hydra. The process undergoing is budding. Thank you.